Welcome back, creators. We are going to deep dive again into 5 UGC examples to really see what other creators are doing so well. Hi, I am Laura, and I have 8 years of experience in marketing, and let's just get into it. So before we start, I just want a quick refresher of all the potential types of UGC videos that you can create. So there's day in the life, voiceover, trend, green screen, unboxing, text-to-speech, problem solution, where you talk to the camera, tell a story, product demonstration, and ASMR. And with that, let's just dive into the first video by Rokyo. I hope I got that right.
Here's part 6, baby. Another Tarte product wins again. Tarte, you seriously have my heart at this point. You've probably seen these go viral already, but they're just that good. It's the Tarte Juicy Lip. So I only have some lip liner on. I'm using the color Primrose, and I love these because they're so pigmented and just like juicy and just perfect for summer. Oh, every time. I can't get enough. It's definitely the most pigmented lip plumper I have ever tried. And these plumpers don't act like your typical lip plumper that kind of like burn and tingle. Like these are like cooling and refreshing. If you have the Tarte Connects, please just send me all the shades.
I know that it's a TikTok, but I found it on Twitter, okay? So don't come at me. But I think it's very clear that this video is problem solution, talking to the camera, telling a story, and also product demonstration as she tries on the product. Let's go into a deep dive into why I think this video would do very well if it's actually a UGC paid collaboration with the brand. First of all, it seems very genuine. It seems like she's been doing this for a long time. She wrote part 6 on the video, so it just seems like she reviews beauty brands all the time. She just didn't get paid to do it. And also she said, "You have my heart." And that just feels like she has a long-term relationship with the brand. She also mentions that the product has previously gone viral on TikTok, and that makes you think about like, wait, I haven't seen this product. What is this product? And that makes you stay and watch the rest of the video. That's some kind of social proof that other people are interested in this product, and so should you. And then, as I said in my last video, there really is a difference between product demonstration and actually trying on the product. Product demonstration is like, but trying on the product is more like that. In her product demonstration, she does something that not every creator can do, and it's not their fault. She shows you the results of the product right away. And all products are not that good, or their results take more time, so you can't show it in a 1-minute video. And so here she got to show you the results of using the lip product immediately. And when you can do that, I always recommend to do that. Also, by the way she's talking to the camera, you can tell that she has the personality to be in front of the camera. She's just very comfortable. And because of that, that kind of gives you the feeling like you're talking to a friend. She's just telling you about her beauty product. She's not trying to sell you anything. So with that, let's look at the next video from Janae.
Nevaeh opened her Coco Melon Magna Tiles bedtime song set, and they have quickly become her favorite activity to do within a matter of days. Each evening, she is so excited to sing the bath song and veil with the tiles. After the bath, we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to begin the nighttime transition into bed. The more we play with them, the more structures she discovers that she can create. The look on her face after she completes a structure warms my heart. This calming routine is the perfect distraction to help her have an easy transition into bedtime. I even added her Magna tiles to her calming area, and they have successfully helped redirect her strong feelings when she is upset.
So in this video, she really does a day in the life. Her daughter is just playing with the toy. She does a voiceover to explain why she likes this toy for her daughter. There's an unboxing. She's telling you a story as well. And there's also a product demonstration because they're trying it. Why I feel this works so well is because it does feel like a genuine UGC video. It doesn't feel like Coco Melon paid them to do it. And also, like, her daughter is not a paid actress. She just is genuinely having fun and giggling, and that's really authentic. Also, it's not just a product demonstration. They're actually using the toy how it's supposed to be used. So this goes the extra step that I feel is really necessary in UGC videos. The next point is really simple. The end user of the product, which is her daughter, does seem very happy with the toy, and that goes back to the authenticity of the video. In her voiceover, she also addresses concerns that parents might have. And so I thought that was an extra touch to the video that I think most people would overlook, but she considered while making the video, which makes this UGC video good. With that, let's look at Haley's video. This video is a straight up product demonstration. And in my last video, I said that when you combine a few of these things on the list, that's what really makes a UGC video so powerful. And this one is just straight up product demonstration. So let's look into more details as to why I think this worked. For this video, we actually have some results. In her tweet, she said that she posted it for fun, and then the company reached out to her to get the video. And I think what really works about this video is that, number one, it's short, so we don't mind watching it. But then also she's actually trying on the product, and then the product actually works and you can see it working immediately. And like I said before, that's really hard to do for some products. Like, some products can't show immediate results and some products are just bad. So especially if you're starting out your UGC portfolio, you really want to pick products that you like, because it'll come across way more in your UGC videos and it'll just be more natural. With that, let's look into Rachel's video. This one again, straight up product demonstration. Let's dive into why it works so well. I think with Rachel, we can all agree that she can be using any skin product and it would be very convincing. I want to look into this product. I also want to know her whole routine and every product she's ever used her whole life, but that's different. But I would start with this product. And without saying anything, there's social proof. There's proof that her skin looks flawless, and she's saying that this is the product, or she's insinuating that this is the product that has helped her obtain that clear skin. So if you can do this kind of social proof in your videos, go for it. So with that, let's move on to the last video.
I mean, you see it. Fat brows to the rescue. Okay. First, you're going to take the fluffy side of the brush, dab it in whichever color powder you're interested in using. 6 different arches to choose from. Line it up, match arch to arch. Start at the thinner end of your brow, work your way up the thicker side. Closer up. Nothing. Wow, look how well that framed it. All right, I'm sold. There's a natural lighting. It looks like so natural. Easy. Share this with a friend who needs an easy makeup hack.
I love this video. Sid used problem solution. She was talking to the camera and product demonstration. But let's look at why I think it's so great. Within the first 3 seconds of the video, she demonstrated that the product worked. Immediately. I counted. She wrote 5-second eyebrow hack. It took her 3 seconds to show me it though. And that's like the best type of hook ever. She immediately showed what her eyebrows look like by using this product. Then throughout the video, she used quick edits to keep your attention. She explained to you how the product was used, even though we know you just dab it in there and you color it on. We all know that. But as she's doing it, she's like telling you about the benefits and showing you how easy it is. So instead of telling you, oh, it's so easy to apply, she showed you. She was like, tick, tick, tick. And that's it. And then throughout the whole video, you're constantly seeing the brand name. And what I really liked is she addresses your concerns. She went into the natural light to show you how it still looks great in the natural light. Because obviously when you're doing that kind of application on your eyebrows, our concern is, well, you know, you're not in the daylight. Like, how does that look when you're in front of everybody? And she addressed it, which is great. And then finally, at the end, her call to action was share with a friend. Share this brow hack with a friend. That's a brand that knows what they're doing. Because if you're trying to make sales with these videos, that's very hard to track. Telling people to go to a website at the end of a video, nobody's going to do that. But they're trying to get this video to go viral, which it probably did. So for all those reasons, I think this video is great. If you want more amazing UGC examples, definitely let me know in the comments below and leave a like.